We're making Greg Doucette's famous Anabolic French toast. Only 500 calories, 30 grams of protein. Come see how it's made. You got a yawn in the middle of my take there? I heard you. Here we go, guys. This is a super simple recipe. I first start with 6 servings of egg whites weighed out on my food scale. Then I add some salt. I like the sweet and salty sensation, especially with the sugar-free maple syrup that goes on at the end. Lately, I've also been adding some cinnamon, so if you like cinnamon, add a little bit in right here. It adds another depth of flavor. Next, I'll add some vanilla extract. Once you have your egg whites and all your other ingredients, you're gonna mix it together with a fork, just like that. Spray your pan with some cooking spray, and then you're gonna start putting your bread into the egg white mixture. I use a fork so I can keep my hands out of the egg whites. I put it in, put one finger down on the dry piece of the bread, and then flip it over just like that. Then I start adding my French toast to the pan to start cooking. The last piece, I have this strategy so that I could add as much egg whites as possible to this last piece to use all of my egg whites on the bread. If you have some extra egg white still in the container, don't worry, you can pour that extra egg white right on top of the other pieces of bread as your bread's cooking in the pan. Now we wait until our bread is cooked through, which will give you a golden brown color on the side once you flip it. Now here's the last flip right here, and you can see all the pieces are nice and golden brown. That's exactly what we're looking for, and once it's ready you can take it right off to the side. I like to pre-cut my bread so that it can soak up the most maple syrup possible. I'm going to cut it just like this, all into 4s, and I'm going to show you the maple syrup that I use right here. Pour as much maple syrup as you want because it's super low calorie. Here's the bottle, 5 calories, 20 servings. Here's the bread, 80 calories, there's only 4 slices. And here's my egg whites, which are 25 calories each, 6 servings. And here's just a little spreadsheet. If you want to pause it, you can take a look. It gives an in-depth analysis of the calorie breakdown, the protein, and all that good stuff. Just know that between the bread and the egg whites, that's the majority of your calories. It's a high protein meal and very low in fat. Got the French toast, 4 slices of bread. It's just really good. Overall, I give it a 9 out of 10. I know some of the recipes have adding protein in on top of it, but personally, you could just add more egg white. You could add Truvia or Splenda, but I wouldn't do that. It's sweet enough with the sugar-free maple syrup. Kind of tastes like a cinnamon roll. Well, thank you so much for watching. If you could leave a like or subscribe, that'd be amazing. I hope to put out way more videos on this, breaking down easy recipes, nice and cheap, easy, and calorie friendly and really filling. Thank you, guys.